When the COVID-19 pandemic broke out in China late last year, the government of Ghana was presented with a challenge to save lives, with a focus on limiting the importation of the virus. But when the country recorded its first 2 imported cases in March this year, an additional focus became to limit the community spread of the virus. As part of measures, the National COVID-19 Trust Fund was established to solicit support from individuals, organizations, and international donors to augment government efforts. In line with this, a leading provider of floating solutions in the upstream petroleum industry, MODEC Production Services Ghana Limited, together with its partners, has presented to the Ministry of Health over $600,000 worth of testing kits, laboratory equipment, consumables, reagents, and PPE for onward distribution to 4 of the COVID-19 testing centers to boost their capabilities. The managing director of MODEC explains the company's motive.
We all know that COVID-19 has been a very powerful pandemic around the world. MODEC globally believe in very strong health and safety arrangements for the citizens and its workers. Since the inception of COVID, we have supported through other institutions in various ways to see to it that we actually are able to test, treat, and manage COVID cases. We believe strongly that we should not actually rest on our oars at the moment. We must keep on with the fight until we have eradicated COVID. And we think it's an opportune time to give the testing agencies more capacity to be able to do their job. Essentially, if you remember, when the pandemic broke out, there were just 2 testing centers in Ghana, Noguchi and KCCR. So they were the original targets. And as we expanded the capability, it was clear that we needed to go out. And you should know that our operations are in the western region. And these other 2 testing centers cover the Takoradi area. And they actually have also given us immense support during the early days of COVID.
Receiving the items on behalf of government, Deputy Minister for Health, Dr. Bernard Okoboy, was optimistic of the positive impact of the donation, while stressing on the role that consistent testing had played in the fight against COVID-19 in the past 8 months.
We've done well because our labs didn't turn their back on us. The policy of tracing, testing, and treating has been very key to Ghana's success story. And let me say that the last time I checked, we had a national active case count of about 514 cases. Well, our objective still is to do 0 active cases in the shortest possible time. And that will be possible with partnership like these.